Imagine paying less each month for a brand new electric car than a typical gas-powered one. Sounds unlikely, but the current market is making it possible. Lease prices on EVs are dropping fast, opening the door for more drivers to make the switch. If you've been curious about going electric without locking yourself into a long-term deal, this is the perfect opportunity. Stick around, the best offer on this list is a total game changer. Number 1. 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 5. 3 years in, the Ioniq 5 remains a top choice as Hyundai's first dedicated EV, offering style, great performance, and versatile options. The 2024 Ioniq 5 comes equipped with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, dual-zone automatic climate control, a hands-free smart liftgate, a 320 horsepower motor, and an EPA-estimated 303-mile electric range. Leasing the Ioniq 5 is an affordable option with Hyundai's flexible deals. For a typical 3-year lease, you'd pay around $371 per month, with $2,000 down, based on an annual mileage limit of 12,000 miles. A 2-year lease averages $409 per month, while a 4-year lease costs about $400 per month. Number 2. 2026 Kia EV9. The EV9 is a spacious 3-row electric SUV with strong performance, a solid range, and competitive pricing in a luxury-dominated segment. This full-size SUV features a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, remote smart parking assist 2, tri-zone automatic climate control, automatic emergency braking, 21-inch alloy wheels, a 379-horsepower electric motor, and an EPA-estimated 304-mile electric range. Leasing the EV9 is an affordable option through Kia's flexible lease deals. On a typical 3-year lease, you'd pay around $482 per month, with $2,000 down, based on 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year term, it averages $502 monthly, while a 4-year EV9 lease runs about $508 per month. Number 3. 2026 Chevrolet Equinox EV. The 2026 Chevrolet Equinox EV is a game-changer, offering sleek design, a spacious interior, and advanced technology, perfect for eco-conscious drivers. Key features include a 17.7-inch touchscreen, reverse automatic braking, a 220-horsepower motor, and an EPA-estimated 319-mile electric range. Leasing the Equinox EV starts at just $610 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile yearly limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $705 per month, while 48-month leases are around $606 per month. Number 4. 2025 Kia EV6. The EV6 is one of the best all-electric vehicles available, offering trim levels to suit almost any buyer. However, it is slightly held back by a higher starting price and limited cargo space. With amenities such as remote smart parking assist, a 12.3-inch touchscreen, automatic emergency braking, a 320-horsepower motor, and an EPA-estimated 319-mile electric range, the EV6 delivers both performance and safety. Leasing the EV6 is very affordable thanks to Kia's flexible options. A typical 3-year lease averages $382 per month, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile yearly limit. A 2-year lease costs around $401 per month, while a 4-year lease runs about $382 per month. Number 5. 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 9. The all-new 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 9 combines 3-row seating with SUV practicality in a stylish and efficient all-electric package, making it a strong choice for families ready to go electric. The Ioniq 9 comes with a 12-inch curved touchscreen and instrument panel, NACS charging with 350 kilowatt fast charge capability, AI terrain mode, a 110 kilowatt-hour battery with up to 335 miles of range, and bold, futuristic styling with a spacious 3-row cabin. The Ioniq 9 lease starts at $486 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $556 monthly, while 48-month leases come to about $627 per month. Number 6. 2026 Honda Prologue. The all-electric 2026 Honda Prologue brings Honda's trusted reputation into the EV space, offering a roomy interior, smooth ride, and modern tech in a mid-size SUV package. This Prologue SUV comes equipped with handy features like an 11.3-inch touchscreen, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, 19-inch alloy wheels, a 220-horsepower motor, and an EPA estimated 308-mile electric range. The Prologue lease starts at $451 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $588 monthly, while 48-month leases come to around $522 per month. Number 7. 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning. The F-150 Lightning is the best all-electric full-size pickup truck in the US, offering impressive performance, advanced tech, and zero emissions. Key features include a 15-inch touchscreen, 360-degree cameras, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a 462-horsepower electric motor, and an EPA estimated 240-mile electric range. The F-150 Lightning lease starts at $904 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $1,151 monthly, while 48-month leases drop to $788 per month. Number 8. 2025 Subaru Solterra. Looking for an eco-friendly SUV that can handle light off-road adventures? The 2025 Subaru Solterra might be your answer. This compact electric SUV is quiet and capable, making it perfect for nature lovers. It comes with standout features like a 12.3-inch touchscreen, panoramic fixed glass roof, automatic self-parking system, a 215-horsepower motor, and an EPA estimated 227-mile electric range. Subaru Solterra leases start at about $486 per month for 36 months, with $2,000 due at signing based on 12,000 annual miles. The monthly cost rises to $743 for a 24-month lease, or drops to $596 for a 48-month lease. Number 9. 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 6. The all-new 5-seat Ioniq 6 electric sedan turns heads with its striking design and offers solid power and an impressive driving range. Notable features include a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, dual-zone automatic climate control, a hands-free smart liftgate, a 225-horsepower motor, and an EPA estimated 342-mile electric range. Leasing the Ioniq 6 is very affordable thanks to Hyundai's flexible options. A typical 3-year lease averages $303 per month, with $2,000 down for 12,000 miles annually. A 2-year lease costs $343 per month on average, while a 4-year lease runs $429 per month. Number 10. 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E. The Ford Mustang Mach-E redefines the pony car for the electric era, combining thrilling performance with practicality and family-friendly versatility. This compact SUV features hands-free highway driving, a 15.5-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, and an EPA estimated 312-mile electric range. Mustang Mach-E leases start at $646 per month for 36 months, with $2,000 due at signing, based on an annual mileage limit of 12,000 miles. A 2-year lease costs around $785 per month, while a 4-year lease runs about $589 per month. Number 11. 2026 Cadillac Optic. With bold styling and upscale features, the 2026 Cadillac Optic brings a fresh, sporty edge to the entry-level luxury EV market. Perfect for drivers who want premium without going overboard. This compact luxury SUV includes standout features like an around-view camera, panoramic moonroof, a 300-horsepower dual-motor electric powertrain, and an EPA estimated 302-mile range. The Optic lease starts at $653 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $715 monthly, while 48-month leases are about $737 per month. Number 12. 2026 Hyundai Kona Electric. The 2025 Kona Electric is one of the most affordable EVs on the market, offering a practical blend of utility, performance, and features. The Kona Electric comes equipped with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, Hyundai SmartSense safety technology, 17-inch alloy wheels, a 201-horsepower electric motor, and an EPA-estimated 261-mile electric range. Leasing the Kona Electric is a budget-friendly option, with an average payment of $322 per month for a 3-year lease with $2,000 down and 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year lease, the payment is $317 per month, while a 4-year lease costs $361 per month. Number 13. 2027 Audi Q6 e-tron. The 2027 Audi Q6 e-tron brings a modern, all-electric twist to the luxury SUV space, combining smooth performance with cutting-edge tech and everyday practicality. It delivers a quiet, refined ride while maintaining the premium feel you'd expect from Audi. Key features include automatic parking for both parallel and back-in situations, a power liftgate, and adaptive cruise control for stress-free driving. The Q6 e-tron lease is estimated at $1,091 per month for 36 months, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. A shorter 24-month lease increases the monthly cost to around $1,373. Number 14. 2026 Chevrolet Blazer EV. The 2026 Chevrolet Blazer EV is a mid-size electric SUV with a spacious interior and a solid list of features. While it faces tough competition, it's a strong contender in the EV market. The Blazer EV features a spacious 17.7-inch touchscreen, advanced Chevy Safety Assist technology, optional all-wheel drive for enhanced traction, a powerful 220-horsepower electric motor, and an impressive EPA-estimated range of up to 312 miles on a full charge. Leasing the Blazer EV is a practical choice, with an average payment of $704 per month for a 3-year lease with $2,000 down and 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year lease, the payment is $877 monthly or $819 monthly for a 4-year lease. Number 15. 2026 Cadillac Lyriq. The 2026 Lyriq continues to be one of the best-selling EVs thanks to its luxurious interior, advanced technology, and extensive standard features. The Lyriq comes equipped with a 33-inch LED display, Super Cruise hands-free driving, 20-inch alloy wheels, a 365-horsepower electric motor, and an EPA-estimated 326-mile electric range. Leasing the Lyriq is a premium choice, with an average payment of $767 per month for a 3-year lease with $2,000 down and 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year lease, the payment is $886 per month, while a 4-year lease costs $823 per month. Number 16. 2026 Kia Niro EV. The Kia Niro EV is a compact SUV that offers surprising space, solid range, and a well-equipped interior. The 2026 Niro EV boasts a 10.3-inch touchscreen display, cutting-edge driver assistance features, efficient front-wheel drive, a robust 204-horsepower electric motor, and an EPA-estimated range of up to 253 miles on a single charge. Leasing the Niro EV is an affordable choice, with an average payment of $372 per month for a 3-year lease, with $2,000 down and 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year lease, the payment is $391 monthly or $389 monthly for a 4-year lease. Number 17. 2026 BMW iX. The BMW iX is a bold, fashion-forward electric SUV that combines cutting-edge technology with impressive range. The 2026 iX comes equipped with a curved display, aerodynamic 20-inch alloy wheels, dual electric motors producing up to 516 horsepower, and an EPA-estimated 309-mile electric range. Leasing the iX is a premium option, with an average payment of $1,110 per month for a 3-year lease with $2,000 down and 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year lease, the payment is $1,495 per month,